Hi, dear friends. This is Dr. Rakesh, disease reversal expert from Dr. Heal Disease Reversal Research Center, HSR Layout, Bangalore. I am posting authentic health-related videos in YouTube. Please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. Today, the topic is how to reverse blood pressure by yourself by following these certain very simple protocols in your lifestyle. So, how to do that? So, this is the content for the video. I am going to tell you 7 solid points. Even if you apply very few of them in your day-to-day activities, you are going to see significant changes in your blood pressure. So, blood pressure is always due to some other conditions inside the body. Blood pressure by itself, it is not a disease. It is a symptom like diabetes, hypertension, and high cholesterol or obesity. These are like triads. If you have BP, then in very soon you are going to get either diabetes or high cholesterol. So this is how the body responds. So, but the root cause for these things is same. Today we are focusing on how to reverse blood pressure by yourself by following these simple protocol methods. The point number 1 is the entire industry is telling us to focus on salt, but salt is very crucial to the body. The words like the salt is derived from these similar words we can find like salute, salvation. So salt is that much crucial to the body, but our focus is directed from sugar to salt. The actual culprit is sugar. So try to avoid sugars as much as possible. Like if you stop sugar for at least 2 to 3 months, then your BP will be significantly coming to normal, because sugar is the main culprit. It is going to affect us metabolically in our body. So that is the root cause for our elevated blood pressure. So please stop sugar for few months, then your BP will start significant changes. Then the second point is seed oil. Seed oil. So because like whatever the double refined, triple refined, ultra refined, these oils are like they are making us sick, because chemically they are polyunsaturated fatty acids. They are going to deposit inside our arterial wall and they are going to decrease the arterial diameter. The vascular diameter they are going to decrease. When the volume decreases, the pressure automatically increases. You know that physics formula. So you try to avoid these oils from your food, like sunflower oil or safflower oil or groundnut oil. Even they are cold pressed, please try to avoid, because chemically itself by innate they are polyunsaturated fatty acids. Then which oil to use? Either you go for monounsaturated fatty acid like sesame oil or gingerly oil, or saturated fatty acids like coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the best oils. And or you can go for animal fat, saturated fats like butter or ghee. So these saturated fatty acids are going to make your arteries like very thin, and the arterial diameter will increase, and start consuming these saturated fatty acids. Coming to the third point, which is consume more foods containing nitric oxide, because nitric oxide is basically by innate it is a vasodilator amino acid. It is very much mandatory to our body. So how to take these L-arginine or these the precursor of nitric oxide? Through green leafy vegetables or vegetables. If you consume more of these things, then the body itself will have the capacity to produce more of nitric oxide. So you can go for green leafy vegetables like drumstick leaves or moringa leaves, or palak. Mainly consume lot of beetroots and raw banana. So in the form of either raw, or you can make it like kind of sabji kind of with the saturated fat and a little bit of rock salt, or even more also is fine of salt. So if you do this, then this will increase the nitric oxide production in your body, and it will improve your blood circulation and improve your blood pressure. Then the fourth point is you should focus on, this is a very important point, because this is a mineral. This mineral deficiency is the root cause for hypertension. The magnesium. magnesium deficiency is the root cause for hypertension. So you should focus on foods rich in magnesium, like any green leafy vegetables, even the vegetables, or since there is a lack of this mineral, even in the depletion of this mineral in the soil, you are not able to get it even through food. So what we have adopted, this is some kind of innovative strategy. Like you can use Epsom salt foot bath. There is a salt called Epsom salt that is having a magnesium sulfate in that. You can get it from any grocery store or any Ayurvedic medical store. So you just take a handful of that and put it into a bucket of hot water and dip your foot till your half of the leg is immersed in the water. For 30 minutes you sit like that. Do it for 15 days to 1 month every day. When the foot become in contact with the hot water, there is the absorption of that magnesium starts taking care of your elevated levels of magnesium, and it will improve your blood pressure. Coming to the fifth point, this is very important, sleep. Because when we are sleeping, it is going to shut down all the senses, and like especially the light, the eyes, and also the ears, the sound energy and the light energy both will be shut down, and the body will be moving towards the dark energy. The dark energy is more crucial for our body to relax and to rejuvenate itself through the universe. So it will be connected to the universe whenever we were sleeping. So minimum 6 to 8 hours of sleep is crucial to the body. Focus on sleeping, and sleep also increases certain neurotransmitters and hormones like melatonin, serotonin, and especially the growth hormone, and it is going to decrease the cortisol, the stress hormone. When this metabolically rearrangement is happening, the BP will come down to normal, or it will normalize. Next point is walking. Friends, when you are focusing on strenuous exercises like gym or gymnastics, such type of activities, then also it is better to avoid them, because in hypertension mode there are a lot of chances to get the internal bleeding. So try to avoid those things. Focus mainly on walking, which is a plain exercise. Just focus on brisk walking. Then the last point is, all these 6 points what I told till now are going to make you metabolically fit. It means the metabolical stress is the 90% root cause for BP. It is not the psychological stress. The 7th point, but still I am covering as psychological stress, because who is not having stress, dear friends, in these days? From a low level employee to medium level employee to the high level employee, everybody is having a lot of psychological stress. But psychological stress is not the root cause for blood pressure, but the metabolical stress is the root cause for the blood pressure. So don't focus on much into this psychological thing, but just try to spend some time with yourself for half an hour or 1 hour, and you can do some meditation or pranayama, any relaxation activities you can do, so that to relax your mind also, so that from this side also we are covering, it will give a very good result to your blood pressure improvement. So these are the 7 crucial points. Focus on these things, and this will definitely make your body to improve your blood pressure. And once your blood pressure start coming down, you can decrease your medicines by yourself, or visit any nearby clinics, so that they will monitor your blood pressure, and they themselves will reduce your BP medications. These are the 7 very important points which I told, which were tested on lakhs of people by the researchers, and even with respect to my patients, I have adapted these strategies. They got results. Their BP from 200 by 110 to 120 by 80, it has come down that too within 1 or 2 months with these strategies, and without medications, their BP is absolutely normal now. You can reverse your blood pressure by yourself by following these methods. These are the powerful time-tested realities of the